welcome to the part of our demo for Panther-Thrift. Here in front of you, you have our first screen, which will be our login/register screen. Here at the top, you can see that we have a toggle button. Then whenever we click on register, it's going to go into the register screen. And if we already have an account, we can just go ahead and log in. They follow kind of the same format. For login, you only have username and password field, and for registration you have the username, the email, and the password. Whenever you try to click on register, if the fields are not correctly filled out, it's not going to let you proceed into the next page. So I'm gonna do a quick demo of our login screen right here. So the first thing we need to do is just putting our username and our password. Now, for the sake of our presentation and for the sake of our project, the password is going to require 8 characters or more. It's going to need a numerical value, a lowercase, and a capital letter. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill this out really quick for you all. Once we have that already in there, we can click on login. There's no need to remember password if you don't want to. And after clicking on login, you're going to proceed into your second screen. This screen is called our homepage screen. As you can see in here, we also have some other items at the top of our navigation bar. We have homepage, about, messages, contact us, shopping cart, and account. And we also have a search bar right here. Here you have the available products that we put in here in our project for the sake of presentation. If you were to hover over them, it's going to kind of like make them pop a little bit more to the views of the eyes of the buyer. And I'm just going to select an item to show you the options that it's going to show. In this case, when we hover over this item, we have 2 options: add to cart and chat with seller. The chat to seller option is not implemented in this version for the purpose of time. But when we click on add to cart, it's going to take us into the second screen, which is the shopping cart view. Now, for the sake of time, we are only going to be able to proceed with 1 item at a time. For later on versions, we're going to be able to implement that. You can add to cart several items and check them out all at the same time. But for the purpose of this version, only 1 item will be taken at a time into the shopping cart view, and only 1 item can be checked out at the same time. We're gonna have here 2 options to pay for the item, either the credit card or the PayPal option. I'm going to click on the credit card option so you can see. This is going to take us into a separate screen, the credit card screen. And here you have what you normally have when you try to check out in whatever website you're trying to buy something. You have the billing address with your full name, the email, the address, the zip code, everything, and you have the payment. Here you have the cards that are being accepted for this order, and everything needs to be completely filled out in the complete format. Like for certain stuff, for full name, it will only take it as an input, a text. For email format. For credit card, numerical. And once you have all of that filled out, it's going to proceed to checkout, which we didn't implement that other portion, but whenever you have everything filled out, it will let you submit this screen. Now I'm gonna show you how it will look like when you click on PayPal. When you click on PayPal, it's going to do exactly as it would with any normal application. It will take you into the login screen of PayPal. Right here you can either sign in or sign up and complete the payment. Okay, so back to the menu screen. That was already everything that we have for our shopping cart view. We're gonna go into the account feature. Once you click on account, it's going to take you to this screen, which is very simple. It doesn't have a lot of fields. It will just have the full name, the email address, the phone number, date of birth, gender, and you will have here a placeholder where you can put in your picture. When you click on edit picture, it's going to take you into your files and you can upload a new picture. For example, I have this one right here, but for the sake of time, I'm not going to submit it, but it will show here. And then after you have all of the fields completely filled out, you can either cancel to it's going to reset the form completely, or click on done and it will save for you. So this concludes the end of our demo. Thank you.